Okay, this is a 2005 GMC Canyon, and had a little car accident, and now my seat belts are stuck. I looked it up on Google and I couldn't find the answer for it, so I took it upon myself to take it apart. I already did the passenger side and it came out alright. It's not going to save your life after what we do to get it unstuck, but it will save you a police ticket. And I'll show you step by step what to do. First thing we're going to do is take off this torque bolt with a it's a T45 size. That's what it's going to look like. It's a bit rusty, but it's a T45. Now I'm going to take this apart and I'll show you the next step. Okay, got that one off. Then we gotta pop off this panel over here on the side. Just like that. Pop this thing off. Okay, just like that. Next thing we do, take this thing off. Okay, here all the bearings inside are loose. I don't know. Take this little safety button off. Push down. Just like that. Got a lot of noise. Next thing we gotta do is pop this thing off. And there's a bunch of bearings. Don't mess with this side because the recoil spring is gonna pop out at you like a crazy snake. This is the side we pull off. I'll get back to you in a minute as soon as I have the lid off, and then show you what to do next. Okay, for this lid, there's these little pins. Can't see them. Anyways, these pushback pins. There are like 3 of them, and then you pop off the lid here in a second. Okay, these little pins look like this. This is little. Put your little screwdriver in there, push through, they pop right out. After you get these things out, pop it off just like that, and then you just pop this little thing off right here. Okay, there's nothing really to be careful about. On this side, nothing's gonna pop out. Now here's this little. See, so now our problem is here. You gotta go back on this side and pop off this thing right here. Pull all the bearings out. Now this thing's not gonna be any good because there's a spring that say it breaks inside. There you go. It's broken free. Now, this little thing right here, if your timers didn't come off, because there's this little, it should be alright. Now on the passenger side, looks like there's little sprockets that look like timers or something. I don't know what they do. Come back. Now, this little pin right here, see, you gotta break it off. You have to. And there's these little, shave this little thing right here that the pin goes through, and you'll be alright. I'll get back to you in a minute. Ok, entonces las pinzas, déjame sacar las pinzas. Alright. As you can see, I kind of had a hacksaw put to it right there, and put a little groove in it, just enough to, it's hard steel, so, you know, kind of break it off. There, that's taken care of. And then my scissors, just kind of cut that off, like so. Put this thing back on, just like that. We're good to go. Put this little lid back on. Put the pins back in. Look at that. Ready to go. Okay. You see, break that little pin off. Put this thing back on right here. Where's it at? Kind of line it. Sort of like that. Come back with the little plastic cover. Just like so. Plastic cover back on. And then the pins go back in it. They're not really important anymore. You put them if you like. And this will fix it. In the meantime, go buy yourself some new seat belts. Don't know how much they cost, but I'm sure they're quite expensive. I mean, you get the right color on them. Like I say, this is not going to save your life, but it will save you from a ticket. And that's it. And we put it back together, and we're ready to go.